Good morning, everyone. Just a quick check. Everyone can hear me all right and see the screen?
Yes.
One yes is good. Great. Well, thank you for listening this morning. Let me tell you a bit about what we're doing. We have a terrific biomaterial that we're targeting for skin diseases. It's plant-derived, which gives it a number of opportunities. We're targeting first drug-resistant skin infections, in particular MRSA. We've got some terrific bacteriology data from the laboratory, early human use data. We have a skin cancer program where we have very good early human data, and we're now, because of the COVID-19 problem, we're now bringing our viral program forward. We've been shown to be effective in several viruses, and now we're going to be looking at COVID-19. What's the immediate problem that we're trying to solve? MRSA infections. They're a deadly killer. Just in the U.S., the CDC tells us 2 million people are infected with MRSA. 20,000 people die each year. And the drug topical treatment of choice for MRSA is mupirocin, and it's now 30 to 80% resistant, which means it doesn't work 30 to 80% of the time. Excuse me. So the market opportunity is simply to replace mupirocin. There are over 7 million prescriptions for mupirocin worldwide. That makes it a $3.1 billion U.S. market, a $6 billion global market, and points for us to a very nice exit. Our magic or value proposition, as Anthony mentioned, our biomaterial has over 40 bioactive compounds. We'll be bringing in each drug product all 40 bioactive compounds to treat the disease. It gives us multiple paths to efficacy, less chance of resistance versus, as you know, a standard drug, which is only one bioactive, one path to efficacy. We will be saving lives where the current topical and oral and IV antibiotics are losing the war. The simple competitive analysis is our AB101 is demonstrated to kill drug-resistant bacteria. We have no adverse reactions yet that we've seen, and we reduce drug resistance. The current therapies, mupirocin is topical, not effective. Altabax is a topical, it's not effective anymore. And the oral and IV drugs that are now deployed when those drugs don't work have multiple problems. We just came off an extremely successful FDA pre-IND meeting. We had no major roadblocks. We had no roadblocks at all. And we had confirmation that we stay on our accelerated path to regulatory approval. Because we're using a plant-derived material, we can get our drug products to market in half the time, and half the cost. We have 6 strong market protections. This morning, I'm just going to focus on 3 of those. We have filed 3 very, very strong, we think, patent applications. We have the opportunity for 10 years of regulatory exclusivity from FDA. And we for a plant-derived drug product, there is no such thing as a generic product. They have to go through the same clinical trials that we do. Management team is in place. It's very experienced, very successful, and we've each delivered in our careers. My last exit was at 16 times original investor investment. Our scientific advisory board is global. We have skin infection, skin cancer, and FDA experts. We have the full operational team in place from formulation through supply chain team management. What does an exit look like for us? Within 3 years, we think we'll be either licensed or acquired. The first license looks like a $130 million license, of which we think we can get $107 million back to investors. Our major goal is exit, and this exit is based on what we could be valued at as a cancer company. And it looks like the $773 million example from Merck acquiring Tilos is a good comparable. We're raising $2.5 million right now. We've raised already $1,850,000, and I would love to be able to talk to anyone who might be interested in investing or learning more about Alphyn. Thank you.